So welcome back with ExcelWithMark, and today we're going to be looking at how we can use Excel as an age calculator for us. We can see that within the box here that we have our date of birth and we have today's current date. We have the years, months and days that we want to know, and then at the end I'm going to show you how we can put that into words and work this out. So to start out with, we need to make sure that these two cells where the dates of our birthday and the date are actually formatted in a date format, and you can do that up here and just quickly kind of bobbing that into either long or short. I just prefer using it in short, so it sort of looks like that. So starting out, we're going to look at the years and how we can work it out. So we're going to click into the box and we're going to use the function dateDiff, like so, with an open bracket. Make sure that you click on the lower of the two dates, so normally your date of birth, and with a comma, and then the date of that you're working towards, and then a comma, and we're going to have the little speech brackets, and we're going to put a Y into this one with a closed bracket like so, and we're going to have that bring up the years there. Then we're going to move on to the month. So again, we're going to use the dateDiff function again with the open brackets. So exactly the same again for this as we work through it, but this time when we have the open speech brackets, we're going to put years and then months in the same thing with the closed speech, closed bracket, and then we can see the months there. And then for the final one, we're going to have the dateDiff, but now just moving it down one. Oops, sorry, make a little bit of an error there. Moving it down one, we're going to have that speech bracket there, and this time we're going to put months and days. Again, closing that, and there we can see it. So now we're going to look at how we can put this into days, this into words, and how we can connect this all up so that it kind of makes sense and it's all in one place or all in one sentence. So starting out, then we're going to press the equal sign. We're going to click onto the years for the D6, and then we need to add in some words. So we're going to put in and to connect it up, and then with the open brackets, we're going to pop in the years with a space, and there we go. We want the month now, and then a space and comment. So we need months. Ooh, let's just capitalise that. There we go, months, and we need an and. Then we need the days, which we can click onto the cell D8, pressing and again, opening that, and we want days with a space again. Make sure that you put the space in there, because if you don't put the space within the gaps, then it will come out formatted differently to that. So if we were to click into it and take in, for instance, the months there, close the months and press enter, you can see that that gap there gets closed up. So just clicking into it there, just giving that little space before and after will just help out, neaten it all up. And that there, guys, is how we do an age calculator in Excel. Thanks for watching, and hopefully this helps you.